So we bought this 10-inch ring light with tripod stand from Amazon, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of it just so we can see if it's all that we expected it to be. So it comes with a little user manual to walk you through how to put it together. And then this is the ring portion. It has a USB plug and it has a little remote to control. The light has several different settings for brightness. And then it has these attachment things. This looks like the bracket for your cell phone. And this piece is the stand. So we put it together according to the instructions in the manual, and this is what it looks like. Now we'll go ahead and connect it and see how it looks. So this is as tall as it gets, which is taller than me, which is great. So we're gonna connect it to the power now and see the different light settings. So this portion in the back here adjusts so that you can angle the light. Let's go ahead and turn it on because we have it powered out. Ooh, bright. All right, so it has a couple different little settings. Let's put it back upright first. So this is the white light setting, and I guess this is supposed to be the warm light setting, and I'm not sure what that one's called. So those are the three settings it has. I can't tell if it's, oh, okay. So it has a dimmer and a brightening switch. So that's cool. And then this notch you can use to angle it. Like say you wanted to film something that you were prepping below, and I guess it works. You can change the angles. So I will be using it in some of the videos. We'll take a couple of pictures on each of the settings and see how they look, like to compare and contrast. So this is it on the white light setting. See all my gray hairs. It looks really good. The light's really bright. Let us, okay, that's all the way brightness. This is the warm light setting. Okay. And this is the medium light setting. Looks really good. Okay, so I feel like it's a good purchase. It costs all of 60 bucks. We'll see if it helps me to make better quality videos. It will help me to be hands-free, so I'm pretty excited about that. All right.